urge you, the leadership of the party, to understand this new trajectory and explain it to our members when the need arises. As I have already announced, the harmonized general elections will be held in 2018 as scheduled. Government will do all in its powers to ensure that these elections are credible, free, and fair. In preparation, the party must invigorate its structures, organize, mobilize, and meticulously ensure that all its members are registered to vote. We will, in the coming months, be meeting as the Central Committee to craft more concrete plans with regards to these elections. These elections are nearer than what we expect. Once again, I welcome you to this session of our Central Committee, fully confident that we will take decisions that will shape the deliberations of our extraordinary Congress for better and stronger outcomes by our revolutionary party, ZANU-PF. I thank you.